How to rotate and tilt an image in Microsoft Word 2019 on a laptop or PC is very easy. First, insert an image into Word. To rotate or tilt the image, click on the picture. Then look for the rotation icon that appears at the top of the image. Click and hold the icon, then drag your mouse to the right to rotate the image clockwise or to the left to rotate it counterclockwise. Make sure the image is properly aligned and not tilted incorrectly before releasing the mouse button. Easy, right? That's how to rotate and tilt an image in Microsoft Word 2019 on a laptop or PC. I hope this tutorial is helpful for everyone. See you in the next video.